Understanding manual labor, an essential English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, manual labor. Understanding this term is crucial, especially in various work and social contexts. Let's dive in and discover its meaning and usage. Manual labor refers to physical work done by hand, as opposed to work done by machines or mental effort. It often involves using tools, machinery, or one's physical strength. This type of labor is essential in industries like construction, agriculture, and manufacturing. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. Construction workers building a house, farmers tending to crops or livestock, manufacturing workers assembling products. These examples help visualize the physical nature and variety of manual labor. Manual labor is vital for society. It contributes to building infrastructure, like roads and buildings, agricultural production, ensuring food supply, manufacturing goods, creating products we use daily. Recognizing its importance helps in appreciating the efforts of those who perform these tasks. You'll often hear manual labor in news, conversations, or at work. Paying attention to the context will enhance your understanding. For example, the job requires manual labor, implies physical work is involved. I hope this video sheds light on what manual labor means and its significance. Remember, learning English is not just about words, but understanding the context and culture behind them. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.